Hello, today I'm going to do the unboxing of the LEGO Creator Set 31002, the Super Racer. It has 121 pieces. I got this set for Christmas. It's a 3-in-1 Creator Set. So you can build the main race car model, or this little model, it looks like a go-kart or something. And then this one here looks like a four-wheeler maybe. Let's open it up. Got a bag of parts, black, yellow, red, white, some light gray. Look at those. Look at those tires. They're huge. There's the instruction booklet for the race car. The parts. And the instruction booklet for the other two models. Oh, it advertises some other creator sets. I like the creator sets. Let's see what else. A smaller bag of parts. Same colors, black, yellow, red, light gray, white. Two by 16 black plate. That's it. That's everything that's in there. So we've got our two instruction books, our two bags of parts, and our loose part. Well, thank you for watching.